Hello, welcome to Math 1324. This is Chapter 5, Section 1, Example 11, I believe. And in this example, we have a company will need $75,000 in 5 years for a new edition. To meet this goal, the company deposits money in an account today that pays 10% annual interest compounded quarterly. Find the amount that should be invested to total $75,000 in 5 years. Do not round until the final answer. Then round to the nearest dollar as needed. Okay, so first of all, yes, that should be amount. Now, this is compound interest, so we have A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the N times T. In this question, this $75,000 is actually the future value. It's how much you want in the future. In the next 5 years, you need $75,000. And that actually indicates that T should be, well, 5 years. The thing that they put it into pays 10% per year, so it'd be 0.1. N is the number of compounding events per year. It's compounded quarterly, so quarterly means 4 times a year. And it wants to know how much do we need to put in the bank today. So to find P, we just plug in the information. So we have 75,000 is equal to P times 1 plus 0.1 over 4, all to the 4 times 5. So let's just figure what that parentheses is. So we get 1 plus 0.1 divided by 4, all to the 4 times 5, which is 20. And that's going to give us 75,000 is equal to P times 1.63861644, and just divide by that number. So do 75,000 divided by answer, which is second negative. So it means that P is going to be $45,770.32071. Again, rounding to the nearest penny. Oh, sorry, no, rounding to the nearest dollar as needed. So rounding it off there means that P is going to be $45,770. There you go. That's how much we need in the future. $45,770. By the way, there is actually a formula for present value using compound interest here. If I have this formula, what I need to do is I need to divide by 1 plus R over N to the N times T on both sides. And actually what you see here is in fact a formula itself, but I can take all of this and move it to the numerator in front, making this P is equal to A times 1 plus R over N to the negative NT. So I can move something from the denominator to the numerator by introducing a negative as an exponent. And so this is what you would get for the actual formula. And so if we did this again, you would say 75,000, yeah. 75,000, parentheses, 1 plus 0.1 over 4 to the negative 4 times 5. And again, just type that in, 75,000, parentheses, 1 plus 0.1 divided by 4 to the negative 4 times 5. Make sure it's a negative, not the minus sign, which again will give us $45,770.32071, which will be $45,770. Alrighty, Well, I know you're sad to hear it, but that's it for this section. All right, well, I will go ahead and end it here, and I will see you all in section 2 for chapter 5. Have fun.